We heard Darragh O'Brien saying, this is a difficult decision. This is not a popular one, but it is the right call in the circumstances. Why do you so staunchly disagree with that view?
I mean, the Minister can say that it's a difficult decision, but what it really is a difficult decision for all those families who are now watching on, who are terrified to be going into emergency accommodation, if they can get emergency accommodation. I mean, for the first time ever, I've seen that in Galway there's a waiting list for emergency accommodation. I've never seen that before. The Minister has just said that he agrees that it will actually increase homelessness. We know that the figures at the moment are the highest that it's ever been. This is not about being popular. This is about doing the right thing. And I genuinely believe that the decision today was completely heartbreaking for so many families because they needed that support. So there's people out there with notices to quit who are absolutely terrified. And sometimes I worry that when we talk about homelessness, because we talk about it so much and we talk about the figures, we don't really realise the real life impact that this has on families. And when families for the first time ever get told, look, there's no alternative accommodation, you can't get anything on daft.ie, you're going to be going into homeless accommodation. How terrifying and heartbreaking that is for those families.
What about what we heard the Minister saying, that if we didn't lift the eviction ban now, we'd have to lift it down the line. And when we lift it down the line, we're going to see this resurface again. It's not going to go away, certainly in the short term.
Well, of course, the whole point is that the eviction ban isn't what creates homes. It isn't what...
It
doesn't deliver. It gives government the breathing space to actually act on it. So when we had supported the government bringing in the eviction ban in the first place, we, of course, meant that the government would then use emergency... You treat it as the emergency, just like we treated it with COVID, to make sure that they actually deliver more homes. So that means using modern technology to deliver homes. It means looking at the vacant properties. It means expanding tenant and
and the like.
I'm talking about modern methods to actually deliver on homes and to ensure that there's affordable homes coming on stream, social homes coming on stream. It's not that you can put in an eviction ban and expect magically these things to come to light. They won't.